Hello, today in the lecture of artificial intelligence, we are going to see about another informed search, that is A star algorithm. So let's get started. A star search algorithm is the most commonly known form of best first search. It uses heuristic function, that is h of n, and cost to reach the node n from the start state, that is g of n. A-star search algorithm finds the shortest path through the search space using the heuristic function. This search algorithm expands less search tree and provides optimal result faster. In A-star search algorithm, we use search heuristic as well as the cost to reach the node. Hence, we can combine both the cost as following, and this sum is called as a fitness number, that is f of n, that is a fitness number, is equal to g of n plus h of n. F of n is the estimate of total cost along the path through n, g of n is the actual cost to reach n, and h of n is the estimate of cost to reach the goal from m. So let's see the A-star search algorithm. As A-star search algorithm uses best first search algorithm, similar to best first search, two lists, that is open and closed, are used for the same functionalities as they are used in BFS. So the first step would be like we will place the starting node into an open list. Now we will check if the open list is empty or not. If it is empty, then we will return failure and we will stop our algorithm. Now a node from the open list is selected such a way that it has the smallest value of the evaluation function. We will check if the node is the goal node or not. If it is a goal node, then we will return success and we will terminate the search algorithm. Otherwise, we will expand the node n, that is, we will process all its successors and we will put it into the open list, and the processed node will be put into the closed list. Now return to the step 2. So in this way, A-star search algorithm works, which will provide us an optimal solution to reach to the goal node from the given initial node. At each point in a search space, only those nodes is expanded which have the lowest value of f of n, and the algorithm terminates when the goal node is found. Now let's see about the time and space complexities of a star search algorithm. The time complexity is big O of b raised to d, where b is the branching factor and d is the depth of the tree. Space complexity can be given as big O of b raised to d. There are some points to be remembered about A star search algorithm that can be given as A star algorithm returns the path which occurred first and it does not search for all remaining paths. Hence, it covers less search space and hence it becomes faster than best first search. The efficiency of A-star algorithm depends on the quality of the heuristic. A-star algorithm expands all nodes which satisfies the condition of f of n. A-star algorithm is said to be a complete algorithm as long as its branching factor is finite and cost at every action is fixed. Now let's see the advantage and disadvantages of the A-star search algorithm. Advantages of A-star algorithm can be given as it is the best algorithm than other search algorithms in informed search. A-star search algorithm is optimal and complete. The algorithm can solve very complex problems. The disadvantages of A-star search algorithm can be given as it does not always produce the shortest path and it is most based on heuristics and approximations. A star search algorithm has some complexity issues. The main drawback of A star is memory requirement as it keeps all generated nodes in the memory, so it is not practical for various large-scale problems. So this was all about A star search algorithm. Thank you.